In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a group in WordPress. Whether you're managing a blog, creating a website, or running your online business, organizing your content is key to improving navigation and creating a seamless user experience. By the end of this tutorial, you'll learn how to use the group block feature in WordPress to structure your site more effectively, making it clearer and more engaging for your audience. If you're new to WordPress, you'll find a link in the description to create your account and get started. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to www.wordpress.com. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the upper right corner where you'll see the login button. Go ahead and click on it. When the login page appears, you'll need to choose your login method. If you prefer a quick and easy process, you can select the Continue with Google option. Alternatively, you can log in manually by entering your WordPress username and password. If you opt for the Google method, simply choose the Google account that's linked to your WordPress site, and you'll be signed in automatically. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll be taken to the WordPress dashboard. This is essentially the control center for your site, where you can manage all of its features. On the right-hand panel, you'll notice a section labeled Quick Links. Under Quick Links, you'll find the Edit Site button. Click on that to proceed. Now, you'll be in the site editor interface where all the customization magic happens. Take a moment to locate the plus icon. This is typically found at the top or on the left-hand side of the editor, depending on your layout. Once you've found it, click the plus icon to open the block menu. From here, you'll see a search bar within the block menu. Type the word group into the search bar. After a moment, the group option will appear in the menu. When you see it, click on it to add a new group block to your page. At this point, you'll notice that a new group block has been added to your site. This block is a container that allows you to group multiple elements together, such as text, images, or other blocks. Now you can begin customizing your group block to fit your needs. You can drag and drop different elements into the block or add new ones directly, such as headings, paragraphs, or images. This feature is perfect for organizing your site's content in a way that's visually appealing and easy for your visitors to navigate. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added and customized a group block in WordPress. This simple but powerful tool can make a big difference in how your site is organized and how users interact with it. If you have any questions about WordPress features or suggestions for future tutorials, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.